Hello, History 1 students. This is Mrs. Politsky, and I have your notes for Chapter 17, Section 4, Cultural Innovations of the 1920s. Number 1, what does bohemian mean in relation to artists, writers, and musicians? It just basically means that they're unconventional. They play by their own rules. What themes were conveyed by the paintings of Edward Hopper? And just so you know, Edward Hopper's couple of his paintings are kind of pictured down below here. And some of the themes were disenchantment and isolation. In what poem did T.S. Eliot describe the world filled with empty dreams? That would be The Hollow Men. Number 4, what event caused disillusionment among the novelists of the lost generation? That would be World War One. Who were some of the famous writers of this era? Well, you had Ernest Hemingway, John Dos Passos. You also had, beg your pardon there, you had Lewis or Sinclair Lewis and F. Scott Fitzgerald, The Great Gatsby. Anyway, what did the economic prosperity of the 1920s provide more Americans? A little more leisure time, a lot of spending money. And obviously, people were going to put those two items to good use, sometimes in ways that kind of got them into trouble, when we talk about things like bootlegging and such. But we did have a lot of people going to movie theaters and enjoying, some of the entertainment of that era. And so why did movie theaters hire piano players in the 1920s? And part of that was because of the technology. Sound in film did not exist yet. By 1927, that was all going to change with the movie The Jazz Singer because it became the first talking motion picture. And after that point in time, sound and motion picture would go together. Number 9, what were Yes, We Have No Bananas and Ain't We Got Fun examples of in the 1920s? And that was popular music. There were a couple of the most popular songs of that era. What professional sport did Jack Dempsey and Gene Tooney participate in? That was boxing. And who was known as the Galloping Ghost for his ability to evade members of opposing teams? Well, that would be Red Grange, who played for the Fighting Illini of the University of Illinois. Number 12, what action brought recognition to Gertrude Ederle in 1927? And it was the fact that she swam the English Channel in record time, being the first woman to do so. Thank you very much.